Hello everyone, let's dive into the APNX C1 mid-tower ATX case. This case is clearly built with airflow in mind, and it delivers right out of the box. It comes with 4 pre-installed APNX FP1 ARGB fans. That's 3 140mm fans and 1 120mm fan. The case has a total of 11 fan slots, so you have plenty of options for expanding your cooling setup. For those who prefer liquid cooling, the C1 supports top, side, and rear mounting of radiators up to 360mm. This makes it a great choice for high-performance builds that need serious cooling. The case is designed to accommodate the latest and greatest components. It can handle GPUs up to 395mm long, so even the beefiest graphics cards will fit without issue. It also has plenty of clearance for even the most powerful CPU coolers. The APNX C1 feels like a premium product. The thick steel frame gives it a sturdy and reliable feel. The tempered glass side panel lets you show off your components. The case also includes a 5-port PWM ARGB control hub, which makes it easy to manage your fan speeds and lighting effects. Overall, the APNX C1 is a well-designed and feature-rich case that is perfect for gamers and PC enthusiasts who want a high-performance and visually appealing build.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.